Actually, we are here today in the Streax Professional Technical Center, and we have Mr. Joakim Roos with us. So we are right in the midst of all this work, and we have a pretty model here. Her name is Ruhi, and on Ruhi, as you can see, we have aimed at great shine, smoothness, texture. Her hair is nice and heavy. So we have used Streax Professional 6.1 globally. And this was a color that was there before, which we've left just as is. So it looks like a reverse balayage.
The thing is why we then kept this reverse balayage version is because the hair will be cut, okay? So it'll be kind of cut like in approximately these lengths. So that's the whole point of leaving a little bit of these lighter ends, keeping a darker base so you actually get a little bit more of a shading and softness and depth in the hair all the way through. Then what we're going to do, we're going to put quite a bit of layers around the whole top and everything. Once we're done with the haircut and getting a very soft, fluent motion, then we're actually going to go back and take big pieces, vertical big pieces, and we're going to actually go back in and we're going to start to backcomb. So we're going to backcomb big sections, all of this through, and we're going to actually apply lightener on towards all of this softness in order to get a very marbled surface.